And this time 6 kilometers for under 20. Yeye aliweza kuchukua nafasi ya pili kwenye mashindano ya
niko na kamera.
And I appreciate and I thank Athletics Kenya for having a cold event at home, you know. Many people hasn't have those opportunities to go out to cheer athletes like a world championship outside, but then having this big event here at home is so amazing. Yeah.
I only came here to see how my shape is, and I've seen it's good. So this is just my preparation towards defending my title in Boston. So I just came here and to get more shape. And this is my first cross country, and I've just won my first cross country, and I'm feeling good and I'm happy.